Dear students, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 10, tenths and hundredths, but I will give you how to write it as in fraction and decimals, right? See, first one is how to write in decimals and express as a decimal. How can you write it as a decimal? 13 divided by 10. How can you write it like that, children? For dividing by 10, how many decimal places you need? One place only. So, I need to write it as 1.3 only, 1.3, because I need one decimal place only. You know what's the reason? Dividing by 10 only. And the next one is 142 divided by 10. And for 10, 10 only. So, I need one decimal place only. So, I need to write 14.2. And here 843 divided by 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So, I need to write it as 8.43, 2 decimal places. And the next one is 27 by 100. How can I write? 27 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means 2 decimal places. So, I can write it as 0.27. Okay. And the next one is 950 divided by 1000. And here 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So, I need to write 3 decimal places also there. So, 0.950. Okay. And the next one is mixed number only. Here 1 is a mixed number, 1 is the whole number, and 450 by 1000 is a proper fraction also. Okay. So, 1 I can write it as a whole number part only, and whole 1 is whole number. After that you need to put 1 point, because the decimal number, there are 2 parts in decimal number. First part is whole number part, and after that decimal point, the next part is decimal part only. Here whole number that we know, that is 1 only, and 450 divided by 1000 is the decimal part. What is the decimal? 0.450, because divided by 1000, so we need 3 decimal places. So, in the next one is, here 2 is the whole number, 0.9 by 1000, that is 009, because we need 3 decimal places there. So, the next one is 17 by 1000 only. Here the whole number part is 0, and but 17 by 1000, how can we write? Here we need 3 decimal places. So, 0.017. Okay. Is it clear, children? And the next one is, write the following as fractions. First we finish how to write it in decimals only. Here we need to write how to write in fractions. Okay. And how can we make it in the fraction? 0.21. And here we have 2 decimal places. So, we need to write 21 divided by 100 only. Okay. And 3.07. Here we can write this as by 2 methods. What are they? First we can write it as mixed number, and either you can write it as mixed number, or you need to write it as normal only. That I will show you. And how to write it in mixed number? Whole number is 3, and the fraction part is what? 0.07. 0.07 means here we have 2 decimal places. So, we need to write it as 7 by 100. Or you can write one more method. Just remove the decimal point from here. You will get what? 307 divided by what? Divided by 100 only. You know what's the reason? We have only 2 decimal places here. So, we need to write divided by 100. You can write it in 2 methods. Either you need to write it in mixed number, or you can write it like this also. Both are correct only, right? Okay. And the next one, 5.84. Here we can write it as mixed number, 5 and 84 by 100, or how only? Remove the decimal point from here, it will become 584. Okay. Divided by what? 100. Is it clear, children? And the next one is 0.001. Here whole number part is 0. So we can't write it as mixed number. So the other way is 1 by 1000 only. Okay. And the next one is 9.354. Here whole number part is 9 is there, right? Whole number part, that is 9. That 9 we can write it as whole number. And the next is 354. Fraction part, 354 divided by 1000 only. Either you can write it like this, or you need to write it like remove the decimal point, then it will become 99354 divided by what? Divided by, here we have 3 decimal places, so divided by 1000. Okay, is it clear, children? And the next one I will give. Question number F, that is 1.1 only. How can we write 1.1? 1.1 also you can write it in 2 methods, and that is 1 and 1 by 10, or how can we write, remove the decimal point, it will become 11. After that 11 by 10. Okay, is it clear? Then the next one is write the expanded form of this decimal number. You know how to write the expanded form of one whole number, right? That is normal number only 300 and 352 and 3352. You know how to write the expanded form, that you have studied from the first standard onwards, right? But you know how to write the expanded form of one decimal number, how to write it like that. You look at the number 3.84. 3 is in which place? 3 is in ones place only. So here we need to write 3 ones plus what? Plus what? 8 is in which place? 8 is in 10th place only, TENTHS place only. So we need to write 8 tenths, TENTHS, plus 4 is in which place only, children? That 4 is in 100th place only. So we need to write 400, HUNDREDTHS, not HUNDREDS, HUNDREDTHS. Okay. And the next one, 89.467. How can I write it like that? See, 8 is in which place? Whole number. 8 is in tens place only. 8 tens plus 9 ones plus, and after that, after 9, 1 decimal point only. After the decimal point, 4 is in which place only? 4 tenths only. TENTHS place. 4 tenths plus what? 600. HUNDREDTHS, hundreds, plus 7 is in which place? 7,000th. Okay, 7,000th only. THOUSANDTHS, thousands. Okay, and see here 74.5. How can we write? 7 tenths plus 4, 7 tenths plus 4 ones plus 5 tenths. TENTHS. Okay. Thank you, children.